Do you want to add a WhatsApp button on Facebook Reels? You can add a WhatsApp call to action button on Facebook Reels with just a few simple steps. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to add a WhatsApp button on Facebook Reels. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To add a WhatsApp button to Facebook Reels. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on Facebook, go to your profile by tapping on the three horizontal lines or your profile picture. Now, to create or upload a new reel, tap on the Reels button. A new screen will appear, where you can see videos and photos from your device. Select a video from your gallery that you want to post as a reel on Facebook. Here, you can add music, stickers, and make other changes to the video. Once your video is ready, tap the Next button. Below the video description section, you will see the Add Message button. Tap on it. A new screen will appear. From here, select WhatsApp from the available options. If you haven't added your WhatsApp number to Facebook before, a new screen will appear where you need to add your WhatsApp number and verify. Once WhatsApp is selected, tap on the Done button at the top of the screen. Lastly, add any additional information to your reel and tap the Share Now button. Once posted, both you and your followers will see the WhatsApp button on your reel, making it easier for viewers to message you directly.